Welcome to my channel. So we are to solve this question today. X varies directly as the cube of y and inversely as the square root of z. X varies directly as the cube of y and inversely as the square root of z. If x is equal to 108 when y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 4, find z when x is equal to 4000 and y is equal to 10. So let's solve this question. Okay, so x is directly proportional as the cube of what? Y, and inversely proportional as the square root of what? Z. Okay, so x is proportional to y cube and inversely proportional to what? The square root of z. Okay, so by applying the constants of proportionality, we are going to get what? X is equal to ky cube over the square root of z, ky cube over the square root of z. I hope you understand. So this can be what? Equation 1. Alright, so let's substitute x equals 108, y equals 3 and z equals 4 into equation 1. Okay, so we have 108, which is x, equals k multiplying 3 cube, okay, y cube, so 3 cube over the square root of 4, square root of z, okay, the square root of 4. X is equal to 108, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 4. So we have 108, which is x, equals k multiplying 3 cube, y is what? 3, so 3 cube over the square root of 4. I hope you understand. Alright, so to solve for k, we multiply both sides by the square root of 4, that is the left hand side, and then the right hand side we multiply it by 4. So we are going to get what? 108 multiplying the square root of 4 equals k multiplying 3 cube. I hope you are following it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share the videos. Make sure you share the videos. So let's continue. So to solve for k, we divide the right hand side by 3 cube and then the left hand side also by 3 cube. So k is equal to what? 108 times the square root of 4 over 3 cube, and this is equal to what? 108 times 2, which is what? The square root of 4. The square root of 4 is what? 2 over 3 cube is what? 27. So 108 times 2 divided by 27 is going to give us what? 8. So k is equal to what? 8. I hope you are following it. Alright, so equation 1, which was x equals k multiplying y cube over the square root of z, now becomes x equals 8 multiplying y cube over the square root of what? Z. I hope you understand. So we can name this also as what? Equation 2. Okay, alright, so let's now solve for z when x is equal to 4000 and y is equal to 10. Okay, so from equation 2, z is equal to, into brackets, 8 multiplying y cube over x square. Z is equal to into bracket 8 multiplying y cube over x square. So let's substitute these values into this equation. So we have z is equal to 8 times 10 cube. Y is what? 10. So 10 cube over 4000 square. Z equals into brackets 8 times 10 cube over 4000 square. Alright, so we have Z equals 8000 over 4000 square. So 10 cube is what? 1000. So 1000 multiplies 8 to what? 8000 over 4000 square in the bracket square. Alright, so Z is equal to what? 2 square. That is 8000 divided by 4000 is going to give us what? 2 square. And 2 square is what? 4. I hope you understand. So the value for Z is equal to what? 4. Thank you so much for watching, and please again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.